Best Pickleball Paddle. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddle? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddle on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The Onix Graphite Z5 pickleball paddle merges advanced materials with thoughtful design to elevate performance and comfort for players of all levels. Featuring a graphite face, it strikes an excellent balance between power and control, making it perfect for those who prioritize precision in their shots. The graphite surface delivers a responsive feel and quick ball reaction, ideal for fast-paced rallies. The paddle's core is constructed from Nomex, a lightweight and durable material known for its exceptional pop. This ensures the paddle maintains rigidity and responsiveness while staying light enough for extended play without causing fatigue. The combination of these materials enhances ball control and ensures consistent performance, whether for recreational or competitive play. A standout feature of the Onix Graphite Z5 is its cushion comfort grip, which is ergonomically designed to enhance comfort and reduce vibration. The soft, textured grip provides a secure hold while minimizing hand strain, making it perfect for players who participate in long sessions or tournaments. It also absorbs moisture to maintain a tacky feel, ensuring exceptional control even during intense play. The paddle's wide-body shape offers a larger sweet spot, making it easier to hit the ball cleanly and consistently. This feature benefits players transitioning to competitive play by offering a greater margin for error, all while delivering powerful shots. Overall, the Onix Graphite Z5 pickleball paddle is a versatile, high-performance choice that combines durability, comfort, and exceptional playability. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced player, its mix of power, control, and comfort makes it an excellent option for any pickleball enthusiast. Number 2. The Head Radical Elite pickleball paddle is crafted to offer a perfect balance of power, control, and comfort, making it an ideal choice for players of all skill levels. With a composite fiberglass hitting surface, it provides a soft yet responsive feel, allowing players to control their shots with precision while still generating power when needed. The fiberglass face also ensures a larger sweet spot, reducing the impact of off-center hits and providing more forgiveness. The paddle's polymer core delivers excellent vibration dampening, easing strain on the joints during extended play. This core material contributes to the lightweight design, enabling quicker reactions and improved maneuverability at the net, as well as reducing fatigue during long games. The combination of the polymer core and fiberglass surface results in a well-balanced paddle that excels in both power and control. A standout feature of the Radical Elite is its comfort grip. Cushioned and ergonomically shaped, it minimizes hand strain and ensures a secure, comfortable hold. The grip also absorbs moisture, preventing slips and enhancing control, making it perfect for players who enjoy long, intense matches. The paddle's lightweight build allows for quick reaction shots, while the wide-body design increases the sweet spot, offering greater consistency and confidence on the court. The Head Radical Elite is an excellent choice for players looking to elevate their game with a paddle that delivers both forgiving playability and responsive performance, ensuring comfort and efficiency for all levels of play. Number 3. The Selkirk Vanguard Power Air pickleball paddle is designed to deliver outstanding power and control, making it an excellent choice for advanced players looking to gain an edge on the court. One of its standout features is the carbon fiber surface, which offers a responsive and durable hitting area that enhances both power and ball control. This carbon fiber face ensures consistent performance, allowing for powerful shots without compromising precision. A key innovation in the Vanguard Power Air paddle is its 360 proto-molding technology, which creates a seamless construction that improves the paddle's strength and durability. This molding process ensures an even distribution of power across the paddle, optimizing performance on both offense and defense. Additionally, the flex foam perimeter around the paddle's edge provides added control by increasing stability and reducing vibrations, resulting in a more comfortable playing experience. The paddle's design is crafted to maximize power while maintaining control. The combination of the carbon fiber face and flex foam perimeter allows players to generate strong, aggressive shots with high accuracy. This design is perfect for players who want to dominate the net with powerful drives and aggressive serves, while still maintaining control during precise exchanges. With a light to mid-range weight, the Selkirk Vanguard Power Air ensures quick maneuverability, essential for fast-paced gameplay. The Invikta black color option adds a sleek, modern look, making the paddle both high-performance and visually appealing. Overall, the Selkirk Vanguard Power Air is a premium paddle that provides advanced players with the tools needed for a dynamic, powerful, and controlled game. Number 4. The XSPAK Carbon Fiber Pickleball Paddle Tournament Edition is built for serious players who require top-tier performance and advanced features. It incorporates world-champion surface technology, enhancing ball response with superior grip and improved spin capabilities. The carbon fiber surface ensures a solid, responsive feel, offering players an edge in both power and control, whether executing fast drives or precise dinks. The USAPA-approved polypropylene honeycomb core provides excellent vibration dampening and contributes to the paddle's lightweight design, allowing for quick reactions and reducing arm fatigue during extended play. This core strikes the perfect balance between durability and performance, ensuring a reliable, consistent response on every shot. A standout feature of the XSPAK Tournament Edition is its cushion comfort grip. Ergonomically designed, this grip offers a soft yet secure feel that absorbs moisture and reduces hand strain during intense matches. Its tacky surface prevents slipping, providing a stable hold even during extended games. This grip is especially beneficial for players who experience hand fatigue or discomfort during long pickleball sessions. With its wide-body design, the paddle boasts a larger sweet spot, making it easier to consistently make solid contact with the ball. Its design is tailored for players who want to combine power with precision, making it ideal for both offensive and defensive strategies. Whether you're looking to hit aggressive shots or maintain control at the net, the XSPAK Carbon Fiber Paddle is a top choice for competitive players seeking advanced technology, comfort, and high performance. Number 5. The Wilson Echo Energy Pickleball Paddle is designed to deliver an ideal balance of power, control, and comfort, making it a versatile option for players of all skill levels, from beginners to advanced. Featuring a fiberglass hitting surface, this paddle offers a responsive feel and improved ball control. The fiberglass face enables players to generate power while maintaining precision, making it perfect for both aggressive shots and delicate dinks. The paddle's core is constructed from polypropylene honeycomb, known for its durability and lightweight properties. This core enhances the overall feel of the paddle, providing excellent vibration dampening to reduce strain on the wrist and elbow, ensuring comfort during extended play. The polypropylene honeycomb structure also contributes to the paddle's solid construction, offering an optimal blend of power and control during fast exchanges and strategic shots. The Wilson Echo Energy Paddle is equipped with a cushion air grip, designed to maximize comfort and minimize hand strain. This ergonomic grip is soft yet secure, offering a non-slip hold even during intense play. Its moisture-wicking properties keep the grip dry, ensuring a stable and comfortable hold throughout long matches. Weighing in at a light to mid-range, the paddle offers excellent maneuverability, making it well-suited for both net play and baseline shots. Its wide-body shape increases the sweet spot, making it more forgiving on off-center hits. This design helps players maintain consistency and confidence during the game, even when shots aren't perfectly executed. Overall, the Wilson Echo Energy Pickleball Paddle offers well-rounded performance with exceptional control, comfort, and durability, making it an excellent choice for players seeking versatility and reliability on the court.